Kannada superstar Puneeth Rajkumar's mortal remains are in Kantirava studios and his final rites will be performed shortly. Remember, on Saturday we saw dignitaries including Chief Minister Bommai, Prabhu Deva, also Governor Gehlot paying their respects to the Sandalwood star. Now, the 46-year-old actor, known for films such as Appu, Veera Kannadiga and Maurya, died in a hospital following a heart attack, and we've been taking you through the voices that we've been picking up ever since. He was known to be a fitness enthusiast. He was rushed to Vikram Hospital after he complained of chest pain following a workout in the gym itself. Let me quickly go across to Aneri as she's been tracking the latest from Kantirava Stadium, where his final rites will be performed, and we've been seeing, Aneri, the kind of fan following the power star enjoys, essentially, given the number of people who are making their way into the stadium to just catch a last glimpse of Puneeth. What is it that you're picking up, the sentiments around you, and what are we expecting shortly as far as the last rites are concerned?
Well, Christine, we are here at the Kantirava studio where the state honor is being performed for the late actor Puneeth Rajkumar, who passed away on Friday afternoon after he suffered from an cardiac arrest, and also later we had seen that his mortal remains were shifted to his residence, and after which it was kept open for the citizens, as he has a huge fan following, let it be in the south and also in the Sandalwood film industry. Well, definitely a big shock to the film industry across, let it be Bollywood or Tollywood. And yes, definitely state honor is being given to Puneeth Rajkumar. As you can see, the family members of Puneeth Rajkumar are here, along with the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basmaraj Bommai, and former Chief Minister of Karnataka, Yediyurappa, is also here, and many other celebrities of the Tollywood industry and other actors are here at the funeral, at the state honor which has been performed here at the Kantirava studios here in Bengaluru. Well, yes, definitely a big void to the film industry, because Puneeth Rajkumar was one of the finest mans, is what many of the actors have been telling. And also at the same time we have been seeing that the final rites will be performed and Puneeth Rajkumar will be laid to rest by 10 a.m. today, and after which we have been seeing many massive footfall coming for the late actor Puneeth Rajkumar, who is now being given the state honor here at the Kantirava studio. Well, definitely they have been waiting for his daughter yesterday, and so as she arrived last evening at the stadium directly from the US, and now the state honor is being performed to the late actor. As you can see, many other celebrities and all are here, along with the government officials, and Chief Minister of Karnataka, former Chief Minister of Karnataka is also here.
Keep talking to us, Aneri. We want to keep up with these visuals and how this is such a big loss for the entire country. Of course, to the film industry and Sandalwood in particular. But yes, we're talking about a person who was a fitness enthusiast and gone too soon, Aneri, just 46-year-old.
That's right, Christine. As the state honor is being performed for the late actor, we see a massive crowd outside the studios as well, where people have been waiting for the last glimpse. Well, thousands of people came here at the Kantirava studio, and also at the same time we see that officials here are performing the last performing the last rites. Sagai, tell us, how has been the journey of late actor Puneeth Rajkumar?
So if you notice, Puneeth Rajkumar is one of the biggest stars of Karnataka, and according to people and critics, they have never seen these kind of people coming from all pockets of Karnataka and reaching Bengaluru. And even today, in the fear of public gathering this particular area, they started the last journey of Punit Rajkumar around 4:30 a.m. And in fact, they had announced to the media stating that they will start around 6:30 and he will be laid to rest around 10 o'clock. And there was also a 3 days ritual which was being supposed to be done today. Keeping all those things in mind, they have moved the body, moved the mortal remains around 4:30 a.m. and the roads were empty, and even there were very less public, which was able to move the mortal remains very smoothly to the Kantirava studio. And next to this particular grave, there is a mortal remains of former actor and his father, Dr. Rajkumar, in the same area. The Karnataka government had granted permission to lay down the mortal remains of Punit Rajkumar here, and probably they might build a big grave here for a late actor Punit Rajkumar. In the visuals you can see former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Sandalwood actor Yash, and several other people are part of the final rites of late actor Punit Rajkumar. Punit Rajkumar enjoys a huge fan following across the country, especially in Karnataka. People have not slept from last 2 nights. Everybody is coming, even if they would have kept the mortal remains today for the public viewing, and there might have been huge gathering. In order to avoid any kind of law and order situation in the city and state, they have moved the mortal remains early in the morning around 4:30, and even the Chief Minister had reached, and we have also seen that Punit Rajkumar, who was a national award winner, was given a state honor by Karnataka government. As we speak now, the mortal remains will be laid down in Kantirava studio.